Welcome to the review of the 2025 Suzuki Celerio. A compact car that promises to pack a punch. Let's start with what catches the eye. The Celerio's design is a refreshing departure from its predecessors. The front fascia boasts sharp, angular headlights that give it a determined look. The signature Suzuki grille sits prominently, flanked by sleek character lines that flow effortlessly into the side profile. The car's silhouette is compact yet dynamic, with a rising shoulder line adding a touch of sportiness. Moving to the side, you'll notice the neatly integrated door handles and stylish alloy wheels that enhance the Celerio's overall appeal. At the rear, the wraparound taillights are a modern touch, giving the car a wider stance. It's a design that's both practical and pleasing to the eye. Stepping inside, the Celerio's cabin feels surprisingly spacious for its size. The dashboard layout is clean and user-friendly, with a good mix of physical buttons and a touchscreen infotainment system. The seats offer decent support, and there's ample legroom for both front and rear passengers. Storage compartments are plentiful, making it convenient for everyday use. Key features include a multi-function steering wheel, automatic climate control, and a rear-view camera. The infotainment system is responsive and compatible with smartphone connectivity, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music and apps on the go. Safety hasn't been compromised either, with features like ABS, EBD, and multiple airbags. Under the hood, the Celerio is equipped with an engine that delivers a good balance of performance and fuel efficiency. It's a car that's designed for city driving, with nimble handling and a tight turning radius. The ride quality is comfortable, absorbing bumps effectively without compromising responsiveness. While the Celerio isn't a speed demon, it gets the job done efficiently. Overtaking on highways might require a bit of planning, but the car feels confident cruising at legal speeds. Fuel economy is impressive, making it an economical choice for daily commuting. The 2025 Suzuki Celerio is a car that's easy to live with. Its compact size makes it a breeze to park in tight spaces, and its practicality shines through with ample cargo room for its class. It's a car that's perfect for young professionals, students, or anyone looking for a reliable and affordable daily driver. Stylish and modern design. Spacious interior. Feature-packed. Fuel-efficient. Good handling. Competitive pricing. Narrator: the Suzuki Celerio offers a compelling package for its segment. With its blend of style, practicality, and efficiency, it's a strong contender in the compact car market. If you're looking for a car that's easy on the pocket and pleasant to drive, the Celerio is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching.